Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Narrowest part of the fallopian tube is interstitial portion is the narrowest part of fallopian tube. Peg cells are seen in the tubes. Length of the fallopian tube is 10 to 12 centimeters is the length of the fallopian tube. Uterine artery is a branch of internal iliac artery. Vaginal epithelium is derived from the endoderm of the urogenital sinus. Vaginal epithelium is derived from endoderm of urogenital sinus. Upper 3/5 of the vagina is derived from Mullerian duct. Lower 1/5 is derived from the urogenital sinus. So vaginal epithelium is mainly derived from the urogenital sinus, which is an endoderm. The epithelium of vagina and portio vaginalis are derived from the endoderm of urogenital sinus. Anatomical sphincter of fallopian tubes is intramural part.
thank you and thank you for watching.